Creating an account for the Cinema app on Roku.
Hello, and welcome to this step-by-step guide. Today, we're going to talk about how to create an account for the Cinema app on your Roku device.
What do I need before starting?
Before we begin, make sure you have 1. Your Roku device 2. An internet connection 3. An active Roku account 4. Your email address and password ready for creating the Cinema app account.
How do I access the Roku home screen?
Start by turning on your Roku device and TV. On your Roku remote, 1. Press the home button to navigate to the home screen.
How do I find the Cinema app?
From the Roku home screen, 1. Scroll down and select Streaming Channels to open the channel store. 2. Search for Cinema app in the search bar. 3. Find and select the Cinema app from the search results.
How do I add the Cinema app to my Roku device?
Once you've found the Cinema app, 1. Click on Add Channel to install the Cinema app on your Roku device.
How do I create a Cinema app account?
After the Cinema app is added, 1. Launch the Cinema app from your home screen. 2. Choose Create Account or similar on the welcome screen. 3. Enter your email address and choose a password. 4. Follow the prompts to complete your profile setup. And that's it. You've now learned how to create an account for the Cinema app on your Roku device. Thanks for following along with this guide, and enjoy your viewing experience with the Cinema app. Note: this guide assumes that the Cinema app is available on Roku's channel store and requires an account to access its content. The actual steps may vary depending on the specifics of the Cinema app setup process. If you have any trouble, be sure to refer to the Cinema app support resources or Roku's customer service.